Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the family of a Canadian movie star whose daughter reportedly drowned at the RIU Palace Aquarelle Resort in Falmouth, Trelawney, on Monday, is speaking out tonight.
Actor Shamir Anderson was too distraught to speak with the TVJ News, but other family members claim if the lifeguards were paying attention, they would have seen how the child got into the water and helped.
Kirk Wright has our story.
The child's mother, who only identified herself as Steph, says members of her family were sitting not far from the children's pool when in a split second her 3-year-old daughter somehow wandered off.
I think she's just an adventurous baby, and she just was having so much fun, and she walked over to it, and I think any of us can understand that.
The woman says the family immediately sprung into action searching for the child, only to discover she was at the bottom of the pool.
I yelled at them, and I'm not convinced that they knew what to do. It seemed as though they had no training, because there was a pediatric nurse who was a guest at the hotel who happened to be there, and she was walking everybody through everything. And if she hadn't been there, then I don't know who would have been doing that.
The family says the treatment they received after from the resort and the hospital staff where the child died only added to their trauma. They said it took some time before an ambulance arrived.
About how long did it take?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know time frame. I feel like it happened between 1 and 1:30, this incident, but they didn't go to the hospital until maybe after 2. If I'm correct, everything's kind of a blur to me, but I just felt like it took so long.
They're also upset that not long after the child's body was removed from the pool, it was put back into use. The woman's sister-in-law recalls that it was a guest and not the staff who rallied around to help.
And the workers there, like I said, weren't the ones helping my niece. It was people that were on the resort in the pool with us.
All right, as much as you
can. Everyone was getting so frustrated. Even at the hospital, I wasn't at the hospital because I had to take care of my nephew and my daughters. But apparently at the hospital too, they treated them like they weren't even human. They had no compassion. They weren't trying to do any and everything. They just basically said that, you know what, she's gone, so there's really not much we can do. They didn't even try everything. And the way they treated my husband, my sister, and my brother was so disrespectful. They even made them pay for water during this hard time. They had no remorse.
The hotel released a statement saying they regretted the tragedy and that they made themselves available to offer the family the support they needed. It also says it continues to work closely with the authorities to provide all the required information. The police say they're investigating and are awaiting the post-mortem. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.